Hey guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can watch BBC iPlayer outside the UK. As we all know, BBC iPlayer is a highly popular streaming service in the UK, but if you're not located within the country, it can be difficult to access. Not to worry, I've got just the solution for you. This video will demonstrate how to use a reputable VPN to watch BBC iPlayer from outside the UK, as well as tips on creating an account without being a UK resident. Also, if at any point you'd like to give any of the VPNs that I'm going to mention here a try, you'll find discount links available in the description down below to help you save some extra money, as well as, of course, in-depth reviews for each VPN in case you'd like to know about their services. With that being said, let's dive in. A VPN is a simple and user-friendly tool that grants you online privacy and security, ensuring that none of your data gets leaked or accessed by anyone. And in this case, it will enable you to stream your favorite shows on the BBC iPlayer. It does this by altering your IP address, making the BBC believe that your device is located within the UK regardless of your actual location. Now let's move on to the steps of how to actually achieve this. The initial step is to sign up for a VPN in case you haven't done so already. However, it's important to note that not all VPNs available on the market are suitable for streaming entertainment. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use ExpressVPN to access BBC iPlayer. While there are other reliable VPN options, ExpressVPN did the job really well. The process involves downloading and installing the VPN of your choice on the device you wish to use to watch BBC iPlayer. Then you're going to connect to a UK server through the VPN. ExpressVPN has a big list of locations to choose from. In general, it should be simple to find a suitable server for BBC iPlayer. Once connected to a UK server, open your browser and navigate to the BBC iPlayer website or download the app. If you do not have a BBC iPlayer account, now would be the time to create one, of course. The sign-up process is straightforward and similar to other streaming services. You may encounter an issue when prompted for a UK postal code. If you don't have one, you can find one online by selecting a virtual location such as London. Now that you have a BBC iPlayer account and you're logged in, you can start choosing the content that you want to watch. If you encounter any issues with your BBC iPlayer VPN connection, not to worry, just try connecting to a different server or clear your cookies and cache and you should be able to access the content again. Keep in mind that not all VPNs are able to stream BBC iPlayer content. Some may have slow speeds or even not work at all. And that's why I chose ExpressVPN for this demonstration, as it's among the best for streaming your favorite content. It also performs well when it comes to accessing content on other streaming devices. This VPN offers fast speeds with its high-speed protocols, eliminating the issue of buffering. It also offers a wide variety of servers, including many in the UK, making it a great value for the money. Additionally, NordVPN is also a great option as it works well for streaming content, and it also protects your privacy as it is a premium VPN choice. Of course, I can't forget to mention Surfshark, as they allow for unlimited connections on multiple devices, which does make them ideal for sharing your account with friends and family. So what's the first show you plan on watching when you're able to access BBC iPlayer? Let us know in the comments. So that's going to be it for this video. Again, if you're interested in any of the VPNs that I mentioned, you'll find links to pricing and discounts, as well, of course, as in-depth reviews in the description down below. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I really like getting to interact with you guys. And of course, like and subscribe if you found this video to be helpful or if you'd like to stay up to date with our future videos. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy BBC iPlayer, and I'll see you in the next video.